how to copy and paste on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can copy and paste on iPhone. Now, after selecting the text you want to revise, you can type or you can tap the selection to see editing options, that is cut or paste closed with 3 fingers 2 times, tap copy and such. Now in order to copy and paste, you can simply tap and hold on the particular text you see on the screen and then tap on copy easily, and then you can tap on the blank space there and you can tap and hold there, and now you'll get the option to paste and you can paste it. So this way you can copy and paste on iPhone device. It's easy, right? So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues regarding any apps, regarding iPhone or Android device, or certain other problems that you feel difficult to deal with as well.